Masikini ni mbaya ama namna gani? Tufukuze nini? Nafukuza kwa nani? Kwa chai ama kwa nini? Alafu pesa ifanye kazi. Asante.
Nase omujega bwo gucengera rituko rya barimi abwase baria bakonya ekemeri kyabo gechae ase company ya Sasini bacengera omujega oyoiga ase skuru ya Magura egotoka ewodi ya Mekenene county ya Nyamira abwase abarimi abwo bagokera obokoreri bwi company eyeiga anene ase okubaka na shilingi 40 ase kera ekiro kera omutieni.
Let me congratulate the MD, the managing director of Kibukebe, for giving us the best price ever in the region. Actually, we are getting 43 per kilo, and that one we congratulate the management and request that I know, and I've seen you being out looking for better prices. You want to succeed, please give us more than the one you are giving us today.
Nonyenigo abateneneri abanene be factory eyeiga bakora wanomo General Managing Director Osasini Martin Ojieng na Ushad Merali Steve Mainda Akif Put Charles McPhee na boigo Silas Injibakale oyore umo Managing Director Ukibukebe negati yabwo baikirana asomyega oyoiga asibaira chingakecho na gusaba baremi abaiga kogenderera gotora HI engia na enyinge eyuere na matu abere na engoropo na enjira eyemo yabo yokogenderera kwenyorera rigesa rigia.
Kama wameongea ile quality anatafuta ni leo imejaribu ni really good, na ilikuwa proud sana kuona wapi Kipkebe na wewe pamoja na kubeba hiti. Sasa ni mambo ya volume, twende na ongeza na chukua quality hata juu sana. Sisi na appreciate, sisi nafanya pamoja.
2 leaves and above, major component 60% and above. 2 leaves, a bit of, and Keter, you need to come with the specific standards or a